So Google has struck again. Yesterday, Google launched the Nano Banana image generation feature for their app Gemini. And this is a native image generation feature. It is now top of the line. It surpasses ChatGPT's 4.0 image feature. And what makes it so exceptional is number one, how quickly it's able to generate its images. If you've used GPT 4.0 for image generation, then you know it could take quite some time for it to actually generate the rendering. And with the Nano Banana, it generates it very quickly. And it's really good at maintaining the features, as in the facial features and perspectives when you prompt for it. So, for example, if I put an image of me and prompt the model to put me into a different pair of clothes or ask it to position me differently, is really great at holding the my facial features and the overall features of what I may be wearing and what my disposition may be and may be changing to. And so in this video, I want to just do a couple of examples of the Nano Banana app. I'm using some of the examples that Google provided for suggested samples for suggested testing. And so I have these images of me here. I'm going to use one of them for example. And here's a pre-prompt for it to give me bangs. So let's just see what it comes up with so you can see the quality of this. So that while that's going, we'll do this one as well. Have me pose next to a realistic looking alien holding two bubble guns blowing 1,000 bubbles in the air. Keep my pose and the location of the photo the same. I will use this right here. First, ask me to upload an image of myself, then give me a 90s grunge style. And we can just go ahead and use this right here. So look how exceptional this is. I mean, it definitely turned me into a woman. But yeah, see how it holds the features of me. Like it looks exactly like me, but I got bangs in this case now, right? I forgot to press enter for these. And again, these are the suggested prompts that chat provided. You see, so it has me side by side here with this alien. And so yeah, this is all very interesting. Obviously not my actual style, but this came from some of the suggested prompts that Google provided. Now, something I also did just to test it out is I uploaded a mock-up of this is a dashboard that I'm creating um, for AI voice agents to do analytics. And so I asked it to recreate this dashboard. It started actually going through the process of like what it would look like to code it. But then I asked it to just go ahead and create a mock-up. And if you use GPT 4.0, GPT 4.0 is really good at creating mock-ups. I wasn't super impressed with this. So my sense is that the Gemini and a banana feature is great for photos, like photos of people, human realistic, changing positions, things of that nature. So one other one I think I'll try. So I've added another image here, and this I'm going to say, can you position man in the photo standing up in a rustic style living room? So it did a decent job. So you can see how it is really good at positioning, really good at holding the features, and so I look at this as really like an image app, right? And it's also available via the Gemini API. So if you wanted to plug it into your products, then that is something you could do. So this is it for me for this one. Go check it out, the Nano Banana feature from Gemini.